Damn, bro. Fuck, dude. Reality is setting in, son. Bro, look at it. I gotta take a picture of it before I drop it. Check it out, bro. 2 miles. Ah, man, come on. Did they have to put 2 miles on it? Because you never know, right? I hate to put myself in this type of position where I don't even know if I'm gonna make it out. Or not make it out. If I don't even know if I'm gonna make it home. But I'm the one who wanted a motorcycle, am I right? Oh god, I am not ready for this, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's setting in. I should not be I should not be I should not be on this thing, to be honest with you. I really should not be on this thing right now. Oh god. I think I made a mistake. I definitely made a mistake. I should not be on here. Was that a drug addict just now that I just passed by? I am not okay. I am not okay. I already forgot everything I learned at the MSF. I already forgot everything I learned at the MSF. Oh, I fucking killed my bike already. Well, first stall of the day. Dude, oh my god. Bro. Who's been gatekeeping motorcycles? Because it's pretty cloudy. Dude, I have no idea where I'm going. Jesus Christ. I almost crashed just now. I'm not ready for the highway. I regret everything. Like, I'm comfortable with this. But this is all that I want to do with the bike now. Just chill in the low gears. I'm scared of dropping it, bro. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my god. I'm doing it, bro. I'm doing it. I'm riding a motorcycle. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done in my life. Somebody asked me actually, yeah, it was literally just last night. One of my friends last night, we were playing Overwatch. I was playing Overwatch with a group of friends, and he asked us as a group, like, was it the stupidest thing we've ever done? This is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Oh god. Am I going into a big road? Oh shit. Oh shit, dude. I don't know my way around the city. I didn't know I was gonna come up. Oh, okay, it's a frontage road. Oh, thank god. Anybody behind me? I'm gonna shit myself, dude. Am I even ready for this? I don't even know what road I'm on. I need to look at a map. Let me do that before I go any further. Where art I? Damn, no matter where I look, I'm gonna end up on a big street. I'm pretty far from Walmart now, at least. I bought the bike like right here. Yeah, I think my best bet is to just go straight into the interstate, to be honest with you. And I'm gonna turn to the right and hopefully not kill myself. Okay, guys, here we go. First time on a big street. That's the goal right there. I'm gonna go down south. Hopefully not kill myself. Okay, here we go. Don't be scared. You bought the bike. The bike did not bite you. Bite? The bike did not bite you. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Green light, green light. Should I take it? I'm just kidding. I'm not that dumb. But I've done some pretty stupid things in my life. Like this one time I bought a motorcycle. Oh my god. Anyways, have I ever told you guys about the time I bought a motorcycle? Not one of the smartest things I've ever done in my life. Oh, this is so fun. Thankfully nobody's behind me. Otherwise I'd be freaking out right now. Sorry, bike. Engine brake is doing all the work right now. Oh god! That's power. I forgot to turn off the blinker. Oh god! I missed that. I barely avoided that. Okay. First time. It's not technically, it's not a highway nor an interstate, it's just a loop. But first time on one. Oh god. What the fuck was that noise? That was some Tetris ass noise that just passed by me. Oh god, I'm going 60 on a motorcycle. Is this my exit? I'm gonna assume this is my exit. Use both brakes, my guy, use both brakes. This was not my exit. Confirm this was not my exit. Though I ought to stop either way. I need to check in with my family. I'm gonna fuck up this motorcycle. I need better mirrors. I'm too fat to see over these mirrors. Or at least the nerves are fading away. Holy shit, it's gonna rain, isn't it? I need to turn around. Tornado watch. Well, it doesn't say anything about rain. Fuck, it does say something about rain. Wait, tonight? What time at tonight? You've got to be fucking kidding me, dude. Well, I'm stuck here for a little while longer. At least it stopped hailing. I'm not sure if I recorded that part. To being stuck at a gas station for 3 hours. And I would leave. I would leave. I totally would. As you can see, it's dry. Well, except for that manhole over there. Manhole. But as you can see, I'm heading in that direction, that way. And there's all those clouds up there. So it's probably not a good idea. And I can see over there in the distance, it's raining over there, it's raining over there. For some reason, the one path that is open is not the one that I'm supposed to be heading in. So, yeah. Also, there's a big cowboy over there. So, that's what's happening. I'm gonna back up, it's raining again. Oh, I'm so fat I can't see through my mirrors, dude. I need to lose some weight so I can look cool again. Well, not that I was ever cool, but so that I can look cool in the motorcycle, you know. Welcome to Radio by Knives, bringing you today's hits uninterrupted. Ba-bum, 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 ba-bum. Dude, can I just fucking go? Please? Oh, my ass hurts. It's gonna clear up. Damn, dude, that was a lot. I don't actually live in Friona. That's where I used to live. I just never changed my home address. So, good luck finding me. don't want to risk it because I'm still really shitty at taking off with this bike. The friction zone is very not frictioning for me, so I want to be careful whenever I leave areas like this, so I don't stall out in the middle of the street and then get fucked over, you know what I mean? It's not safe yet, and there's more cars coming. I'm just gonna be stuck here for the rest of my life. The rest of my life. Gonna be stuck here for the rest of my life. The rest of my life. Rest of my life. Gonna be stuck here for the rest of my life. The rest of my life. The rest of my life. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of this. Let me switch lanes. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I am about to make a bunch of turns to get to my house, and I don't want anybody following me if you live in the area. So, you know, I know the bike is beautiful and you want to see it in person, but I would request that you respect my privacy. So yeah, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna upload this. It was pretty embarrassing at the beginning, but I guess there are new riders out there who are wondering what it's like to ride home for the very first time on from the dealership during your very first time. What am I trying to say? I guess there are new riders out there who might be wondering what it's like to be a newbie, completely new. I literally just finished my MSF course 2 days ago, and you guys might be wondering what it's like to drive your motorcycle home. Anyways, you guys have a damn good day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.